How to identify genuine Century Plywood with Century Ply Promise App. Many customers buy plywood which later turn out to be fake due to an abundance of fake plywood of most leading brands. To ensure our loyal customers be befikar, Century Ply is the first company to introduce a unique QR code in each of our products. Introducing the Century Ply Promise App, our promise to give you genuine Century plywood and protect you from duplicacy. The Century Ply Promise App is easy to install and operate. Our app will ensure that you always buy authentic Century plywood. Begin by simply downloading the Century Ply Promise App from the Play Store or App Store of your smartphone. Once installed, open the app to securely log into your account. You can choose from two login options. If you are an existing member, simply log in by entering your correct details. If you are a new member, register yourself to become a Promise member by filling up the registration form with your personal details, such as name, phone number, member type, email ID, and PIN code. After registering successfully, you can log in as a Promise member. You can verify the authenticity of your Century Ply products in two ways. If you choose the option to scan QR code, a QR scanner will open on your phone. Place the QR code on the plywood by putting it within the scanner window. If the scanner is unable to read the QR code, you may opt to upload QR code and enter the code product information manually in the space provided. If it's a genuine Century Ply product, the product code will be listed under Code Details along with the result Century Ply Genuine Product. If the product is not authentic Century plywood, the result Not a Century Ply Genuine Product will appear. After the verification is complete, you'll find two options on the screen. You can click on Upload again to restart the validation process or scan another product. Or you can click on Generate e-warranty, which will direct you to the e-warranty page. If you want to generate e-warranty, simply click on this option. A pop-up will appear with the message, E-warranty generated successfully. You can download the e-warranty from the Download e-warranty section. An SMS will be sent to the registered mobile number, and an email will be sent to your email address. You can share the generated e-warranty via WhatsApp, email, etc. You can choose to scan and generate e-warranty for multiple products at a time. Keep an eye on all the exclusive deals for Century Ply Promise App members from the Offers and Promotions tab. You can also give feedback on the product. In these simple steps, you can verify the authenticity of any Century plywood. Now, raho befikar about the authenticity of the plywood you buy with Century Ply Promise App.